We are so excited to launch the 2023 season of giving by announcing another Arch Cabin LLC cabin kit giveaway.
The last one was a huge success, and we love seeing what part Arch Cabins play in your story. This December, we will be giving away a 24x32 Arch Cabin to one lucky winner, our biggest giveaway yet. To enter, email us a 1-minute video telling us about your big dreams for your Arch Cabin kit. Or you may submit a 250-word essay. Send the message with your name and contact information to giveaways@archcabinsllc.com.
Or visit our website, archcabinsllc.com. Arch Cabins were such a huge part of Jillian and my story. And we can't wait to see the memories that you create with yours.
Thank you and best of luck.